This is a sample goods movement app that executes 311 movements in SAP, meaning it moves materials from one storage location to another. And it also showcases the offline capability that Neptune has. With Neptune, it is really easy to create applications that are completely offline. So before we start, I will open SAP GUI and I will run MB51 on today's date. We don't have any movements for today yet, so let's go back. And here in our browser, we're going to hit F12 and we will disable our internet. So if you look up here, there is no red icon right now. But as soon as I disable the internet on this browser window, this icon comes up and it says device is offline. So the Neptune Launchpad, whether it's running on a mobile device or an internet browser, is able to immediately detect if the device is offline or online. So now that this is offline, I can still access data. This application still stores all the data from the first time it ran. So in the storage location, I can see all my available storage locations, even though it is completely offline. I also have created this app in a way that it'll store all the materials that I had in there and the last seen quantities of them in unrestricted stock. I'm just going to choose any of these materials. I'm going to type in quantity 1. And if I try to post it, since I'm offline, it shows here connection to SAP failed, saved to Outbox. So in this case, in this app, we're saving all the transactions that I want to execute after the device is back online in this other tab, in this Outbox tab. And the syncing can happen at whatever time the customer needs. The customer can create the app to sync whenever internet is automatically back on, or whenever the user clicks a button to sync. It's completely up to the person who is creating that application. So if I go back in here and enable internet again, the red icon is now gone. And if I click resubmit, it's going to send this to SAP. And if I navigate into my SAP GUI and run MB51 again, we can see that this transaction has been posted to SAP backend.